Okay guys, so you can see what we've done all the back, how pretty it is, and we decided to just finish it off with cornrow instead of just carrying on with the head of braids. So all the back is done, really beautiful. It's the type of hair Beyonce will wear. Very pretty. So we're finishing it off with cornrows again to give you creative ideas of what you could do with them. So typical our way of doing cornrows, we just enjoy the Ghana cornrow. And so if you're new to this channel with Ghana cornrow, this is you get your first strands in, hold it firmly down, and then you start adding your extra hair. Remember with Ghana cornrow, you decide how many strands you want to put in. And in this case, we're putting just 4 strands. Again, the size you put in is up to you. No one holds you down to anything. And once that's gone in, then you finish off your cornrows. So what I did, I didn't put too much hair in. If I wanted it really full, I'll put heavier strands in. So at the end of this, I'll add the final one that I want to use in finishing the strand of braid. And just like I put the messy bohemian hair in, I just put it in and braid with the rest. So at this stage, I then bring my curly wavy hair in and add it in there. Exactly like we were doing before. And then finish the tips with the really small strands. And that's it. So we're going to carry on with the cornrow and then you see the finished look.